Philadelphia Mayor Cherelle Parker signed 3 new public safety bills into law today, and they include a ban on bump stocks in the city, proper training for those carrying out an eviction, and more automated speed cameras across the city. And Steve, drivers will want to watch out for that lead foot.
Look, just last month I ran in the Broad Street Run, and now it's known as the Broad Street Raceway. Just between 2018 and 2022, 456 pedestrians have been hit or killed in crashes there. Many of those 456 pedestrians among the 169 people killed during that time in crashes.
My son was killed on Broad Street outside of the 35th district.
It was right out front of the busy police station at Broad and Champlos after midnight, January 25th, 2020, when Robert Evans happened to be in the path police say of a speeding driver. 4 years later, his mother, Stephanie, saw the results of her work since that day to prevent other mothers from losing any of their children to a speeding driver on Broad Street. She was next to Philadelphia's mayor as she signed legislation today to put speed cameras on Broad Street.
I went from trauma, tragedy to triumph.
Reverend Stephanie Evans continues to attend each court appearance of the male driver accused of vehicular homicide in her son's death.
It's up there with gun violence, and people didn't understand that. Although my son was hit with a vehicle, it was a bullet, because when he put that car in drive, he pulled the trigger.
Even Philly's police commissioner has seen speeding firsthand that he says makes Broad Street look like a drag strip.
Some days I come down Broad Street, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm like, where am I? Wow. Like, am I on some roadway? I just recently did an initiative on Broad Street where we were putting countless officers on Broad Street in an effort to slow people down and to stop the senseless accidents and fatalities that we've seen on Broad Street year after year.
Since speed cameras have been put up on Roosevelt Boulevard, deadly crashes are way down. And now Broad Street has become the city's deadliest road. And so now, next to get speed cameras, too.
Experts from the University of Pennsylvania, they estimated that approximately 1 life is saved every month on the boulevard as a result of these cameras. Okay, 1 life a month. By that estimation, this technology has saved approximately 50 lives since they've been installed.
A crash, it's not an accident when you're going too fast, right? It's a crash because it's something that could have been prevented.
We make the decisions on where we will save people's lives, and that's what these cameras do.
Well, from the leaders at City Hall today at that announcement, no definite date yet when the cameras will go up, or will there be, or how many they'll have at first. But like Roosevelt Boulevard speed cameras, expect a grace period, they say, for the first few months, sending out maybe only warnings by mail before the fines go out. And critics claim, of course, it's just another money grab by government, but leaders today here at City Hall said since the cameras have gone up on Roosevelt Boulevard, not only are deaths and crashes down, but so are speeding violations. So, Jason, you're asking, how much are violations down since the speed cameras went up on Roosevelt Boulevard? The mayor said a staggering 95% down.
Wow. All right. Steve, at City Hall, thank you, Steve.